In this video, I'll show you how to reconcile bank transactions in Xero. Start by signing into Xero and opening the bank account you want to reconcile. On the dashboard, click Reconcile Items to view imported bank transactions. Now review each transaction. If Xero suggests a match, check the details and click OK to reconcile it. If no match is available, click Create and enter the payee, account category, and any other required details. Then click OK to save and reconcile the transaction. Next, continue through the remaining transactions until all items have been matched or categorized correctly. Finally, review your account summary to make sure your reconciled balance matches your bank records. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to reconcile bank transactions in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.